You're wondering what I'm doing? Well, sometimes this plastic can help you a lot. The microphone stand is quite big, so the microphone doesn't stay, so I need to put some plastic. Привет. So I don't speak Russian, but I know a little bit. So on the left side I have a typical boring Microsoft mouse, which is not bad. So quite minimalistic, black color, left right click buttons and the wheel, to scroll. Nothing special, so it's a typical Microsoft uh, mouse. Do you say mouse or do you say mice? Let me know in the comments down below. On the other side, I have something more fun, I believe. So this is Iron Man mouse, typical Iron Man mouse. Let me show you. This mouse is nice actually, and there's something cool that you'll see now. So if I click, aha, I see. So we have a blue eyes or blue color, so should I say. So yeah, so this mouse is it's a Microsoft. No, it's not a Microsoft, it's M8. It's made in China, so I don't know. But it's a cool mouse. Other than that, it's got a left, right click, and also you have the wheel. This is made for Apple and PC, so we'll double check if this is right. Okay, so let's see if this mice will work. So the mice operates via 3 AA batteries, and the dongle is here, located here inside. There's a door. Don't lose the dongle. The dongle is very important. Such an interesting word, dongle. Do you say dongle? I believe so. So yeah, so just put the dongle in your Mac and let's see if it's good. Voila. So the dongle is on your Mac. So let's see now if we can see any difference, if this will work. That's pretty interesting. Works immediately. No drivers required, which again, this is good. So yeah, so you just plug it. So this is a interesting mice, and this is not so very interesting, but nothing wrong with this mice. It's a normal Microsoft mice that probably you'll buy for $10. But yeah, this mice is interesting. So I see the lights. First impressions, pretty good. No delays. Actually, the left click is pretty responsive. Right click, obviously, options. And the wheel is pretty responsive as well. First impressions, very, very good. So again, this is a normal mice. This is not so normal. So yeah, it works with Mac. So let's see if it's gonna work with Windows. Okay, so let's see if the mice will work with Windows. So again, the dongle, take the dongle and just push it in. And let's see if the mice will be detected. Okay, so no drivers required, so it works. Pretty responsive as well. Not bad. So yeah, ordinary mice, something a little bit more special mice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review, guys. So as always, hit that like button, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching.